Hello everyone, my name is Melisa Alivia from Management Class 22A. In this video, I'll discuss the legal position of taxes, the differences between taxes and retribution, and several other important concepts in taxation. I hope this information can help us better understand taxes and their role in the development of our country. Main content, Part 1. Legal position of tax. Taxes have a significant legal position in both society and government. Taxation is a responsibility that citizens must fulfill to support government finances. According to the law, tax is a mandatory contribution regulated by the state. The funds collected from taxes are used for the development of public facilities, public services, and other governmental needs. Differences between tax and retribution. In general, the main difference between tax and retribution lies in the direct benefit received by the payer. Tax does not provide direct benefit to the payer, as it goes into the state treasury for public welfare. Retribution, on the other hand, is a fee that provides a direct benefit, such as a parking fee that supports parking facilities.
Governments have the right to collect taxes. This right is enshrined in a country's constitution. In the United States, the power to levy taxes is granted to Congress by the Constitution. This power is not absolute. There are laws in place to prevent abuse. These laws ensure that taxes are imposed fairly and transparently. Tax laws also outline how taxes are collected and used. For instance, tax revenue might be allocated for infrastructure projects, social welfare programs, or national defense. These laws are designed to protect both the government's interest in collecting revenue and the taxpayer's right to fair treatment. Understanding these legal frameworks is vital. It ensures you are meeting your tax obligations correctly and can exercise your rights as a taxpayer. Taxes are often confused with retribution, but they are fundamentally different. Taxes are collected for the common good. This revenue funds public services and infrastructure that benefit everyone. Retribution, on the other hand, is punishment for a wrongdoing. It is typically imposed by a court of law. For instance, someone who commits fraud might be ordered to pay a fine as retribution. Unlike taxes, retribution is not intended to fund public services. Instead, it aims to right a wrong and deter future offences. Understanding this distinction is crucial. It clarifies the role of taxes in a just and equitable society. Section 4. Navigating tax resistance. From legal avenues to civil disobedience. Tax resistance takes many forms. Some people refuse to pay taxes as a form of protest. Others may engage in tax avoidance, using legal means to minimize their tax liability. Tax evasion, however, is illegal. This involves deliberately misrepresenting one's income or expenses to reduce tax obligations. While tax resistance might seem like a way to challenge the system, it can have serious consequences. It's essential to understand the legal ramifications before engaging in any form of tax resistance. Remember, there are legal avenues to challenge unfair tax laws or practices. These include contacting your elected representatives or pursuing legal action. Section 5. Direct versus indirect taxes. Navigating the tax landscape. Taxes can be broadly classified into two categories: direct and indirect. Direct taxes are levied on income and wealth. Examples include income tax and property tax. These taxes are paid directly to the government by the individual or entity being taxed. Indirect taxes, on the other hand, are levied on goods and services. Sales tax and value-added tax, or VAT, are common examples. With indirect taxes, the burden of payment is often shifted to the consumer. For instance, when you buy a product subject to sales tax, the retailer collects the tax and remits it to the government. understanding the difference.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation of the legal position of taxes, differences between taxes and retribution, tax collection requirements, tax resistance, and the types of direct and indirect taxes has been informative. See you in the next video.